Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba 105 Combo Robot plus AutoEmpty Dock. The Roomba 105 series in general is a great first Roomba if you've never owned one before and want to see what all the hype's about. Maybe you have a second story and need some additional help cleaning there, or you want to be known as the coolest gift giver ever, as this would be a great present for a friend, family, or loved one. As you can see, I've already taken everything out of the box for this, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you get your Roomba out of the box is reference the cardboard insert that's inside. This is going to give you a visual step-by-step guide on how to get your new Roomba set up for first time use. I'm going to focus for a second on step 5, as this is going to give us a QR code that'll lead you to the appropriate store, whether it's an Android or iOS device, to download the new Roomba Home app. From there, you want to go ahead and start adding Roomba to the app itself, so you can take advantage of all the additional features that we're about to talk about that this robot can do. So now I'm going to take you through a few of my personal favorites that I know you're going to love too, and the first thing I need to tell you is that this Roomba has really strong suction power on all floor types. This is great because regardless if you have carpet, hardwood, tile, maybe a mixture of all the above, the Roomba 105 series in general is going to deliver a fantastic cleaning experience for you, and by simply attaching the mopping pad, this will deliver a clean sweep. So another one of my favorites for this Roomba is the fact that it has Clearview LiDAR. This is going to allow you to do a whole host of things. You can choose which rooms to clean, when you want to clean them. You can focus on smaller areas like an area rug in the living room while still avoiding the dog's water bowl. Roomba will also automatically avoid carpeted areas when mopping and avoid larger objects in the home. Think your entertainment center, baseboards, walls, furniture, those types of objects. So as an owner of 3 dogs who literally shed year round, the AutoEmpty Dock is one of my absolute favorites. It's going to take all the dirt and debris that Roomba picks up off the floors in your home and empty it into an enclosed disposal bag that's up top here. These bags can hold up to 75 days. Yes, that's 2+ months of worry-free cleaning, by the way. When it's finally full, just simply pull off the lid to the AutoEmpty Dock, pull the used bag up and out, and throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and replace it with a nearby bag, like placing it back in, closing the lid, and your Roomba and AutoEmpty Dock are ready to use again. So while I'd love to continue to go on and on about what this Roomba can do for you, I gotta wrap this up and get out of here. The Roomba 105 Combo Robot plus AutoEmpty Dock is gonna provide exceptional cleaning on all floor types. You can choose when and where you want Roomba to clean in your home, while it's gonna automatically avoid carpets when mopping. And with the AutoEmpty Dock, this is gonna provide you with 75 days of worry-free cleaning. All of this makes this Roomba the perfect choice if you've never owned a Roomba before and looking to experience what all the hype's about. Maybe you need some additional help cleaning the floors in your home or a second story, or you want to be known as the best gift giver ever, as this would be the perfect gift for a friend, family, or loved one. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.